Hello and welcome. This is a short tapping meditation for anyone feeling anxious about uncertainty. So take a minute to place one hand on your chest like this. Take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose and letting go through your mouth. Let's do one more of those, breathing in through the nose, letting go through the mouth. And then with your eyes still remaining closed, take a moment to tune in to how anxious you feel when you think about uncertainty. 0 to 10. So 10 being, it makes me feel really anxious. I don't know what the future holds. I can't stop thinking about it and ruminating over it. 0 being, I feel cool, calm and collected. So where would your number be on how anxious uncertainty is making you feel in this moment? Then gently begin to open your eyes. Start to tap on your karate chop and repeat after me. Even though. Uncertainty is making me feel anxious. I love and deeply accept myself anyway. And even though. I don't know what the future holds. And quite often, I'll have negative thoughts. I love and deeply accept myself anyway. And even though I feel this anxiety in my body and mind, I'm open to the possibility of feeling more calm, more relaxed, and deeply trusting that everything will be okay. Moving to the inner eyebrow point now, closing down the eyes, and repeat after me. Uncertainty is making me feel anxious. Outer eyebrow. Uncertainty makes me feel anxious. Underneath the eye. Because I can't predict the future. Underneath the nose. I don't know what's going to happen. Underneath the mouth. So my brain loves to play tricks on me. Tapping on the chest. I keep thinking about worst case scenarios. Underneath the arm. I keep thinking about worst case scenarios. Tapping on the head. My brain loves to catastrophize. Inner eyebrow, making up all the bad things that could happen. Outer eyebrow, and all of these negative thoughts underneath the eye fill me with anxiety. Underneath the nose, they make me feel stressed and anxious. Underneath the mouth. And then it's hard to think clearly. Tapping on the chest. It's hard to find solutions. Underneath the arm. So I wonder if, tapping on the head, just in this moment, inner eyebrow, I can bring my body and mind, outer eyebrow, completely into the present moment, underneath the eye, because the present moment is all that matters. Underneath the nose, what if? Underneath the mouth, everything works out. Tapping on the chest, I'm open to that possibility. Underneath the arm, I give myself permission to relax. Tapping on the head, I give myself permission to feel safe. Inner eyebrow, as I introduce the new thought, outer eyebrow, of hope. Underneath the eye, what if everything works out? Underneath the nose, what if everything will be okay? Underneath the mouth, I don't know what the future holds. Tapping on the chest, but that's okay. Underneath the arm, I choose to deeply trust. Tapping on the head, that the universe has my back. Inner eyebrow, everything will be okay. Outer eyebrow, everything will work out. Underneath the eye, I am excited. Underneath the nose, about what my future holds. Underneath the mouth, I am excited. Tapping on the chest, about what my future holds. Underneath the arm, thank you, universe, for always having my back. Tapping on the head, I am excited about what my future holds.